Tonight I made this cheesy cauliflower melt. It was super simple and delicious. Start out by removing the leaves and the stem from the cauliflower head, and then rinse the cauliflower head, and then add it to a pot of boiling water for about 4 minutes. While that blanches, we're going to add a cup of mayo and a cup of Parmesan shredded cheese to top it with. Once it's done, pull it out, dry it off real well, and then add your topping. Then we're going to sprinkle it with black pepper and garlic powder. Throw it in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. Cut up and enjoy.